Asphalt has stood the test of time since its early use by ancient Egyptians, and has been integral in the development of modern roads and infrastructure throughout the world. The majority of liquid asphalt used today is derived from petroleum crude oil. Demand for asphalt binder in North America is currently highest for interstate highways and roofing. Shingles made from asphalt are cheaper, lighter, and more durable than most other roofing materials, and so are the most widely used roofing material in North America. Asphalt oil can represent up to 25% of a shingle tile. Currently, the demand for asphalt remains strong, with emerging economies investing heavily in infrastructure. In 2020, worldwide demand for asphalt was estimated to be 143 million metric tons and is expected to reach 174 million metric tons by 2025. Liquid asphalt, which is also commonly referred to as asphalt cement and asphalt binder in Europe and Canada, is a black and highly viscous liquid or partially solid state of petroleum. Asphalt can be found in natural deposits, or it may be a refined product. The majority of liquid asphalt used today is derived from petroleum crude oil. Natural deposits of liquid asphalt are mainly found in tar sands and oil sands. Some of the richest supplies of asphalt can be found in Trinidad and Tobago, Venezuela's Lake Bermudez, and the Dead Sea. These deposits are in unconsolidated sandstones. Liquid asphalt that is derived from a refined product is manufactured in 3 distinct methods. The blending method involves asphalt being blended with cutback, a solvent from petroleum. The heating method takes place in asphalt cement plants. The finished product is asphalt cement, which is also known as asphalt binding. The emulsification process, also known as the water suspension method, where liquid asphalt cement is dispersed in a large volume of water and an emulsifying agent. Asphalt has 3 main areas of use. Municipal, town or city owned, can be funneled down to streets, alleyways, potholes, etc. Residential, owned by private homeowners, such as for driveways. Commercial, business owned, used for parking lots, sports courts, and more. Acquiring asphalt binder for industrial use is a multi-step process. The supply chain begins with raw material suppliers, who provide bitumen to manufacturers. Distributors are responsible for storage and selling liquid asphalt to mixing plants, where the final asphalt cement mixture is prepared and sold to end users. Roughly 88% of asphalt cement acquired by end users is used for pavement, with the remaining portion utilized for waterproofing, parkways, airports, and other uses. Since 2011, the price of asphalt cement has varied from around $500 to $900 Canadian per ton, depending on market demand. The sudden drop-off in infrastructure investment and construction in 2020 led to a fall in price that is now starting to recover at a rapid pace. The retail price of asphalt cement per ton as of August 2021 is $891 Canadian, according to the Ontario Asphalt Pavement Council. This represents a 44% increase year to date. In Canada, as of September 2021, the posted prices for primary grade A paving grade asphalt cement are $670 to $710 Canadian per metric ton for British Columbia and $650 to $800 Canadian per metric ton for Toronto and Montreal areas, as per Poten & Partners Asphalt Weekly Monitor. This chart shows the average price of asphalt cement over the past decade. As of August 2021, asphalt cement is currently at its highest price since August 2008, where it sold at $932.24 Canadian. This 13-year high could represent the massive influx of construction that had been delayed due to the pandemic. It can also be representative of long-term sentiment based on the projected growth of future demand for asphalt cement. Bitumen, one of the main ingredients of asphalt, is a viscous mixture of hydrocarbon that forms from petroleum distillation. It acts as a binding agent that has been used to glue together tools for thousands of years. This chart depicts the price movement of bitumen. It can be seen that bitumen price has moved in tandem with asphalt concrete throughout the past 5 years. In 2020, worldwide demand for asphalt binder was estimated to be 143 million metric tons. The global market is currently dominated by North America, Europe, and the Asia-Pacific regions, which combined make up over 75% of total demand. In Canada, a total of 2.65 million tons of asphalt was used in 2020, down 2% from the previous year's usage of 2.71 million tons. It is also worthwhile to note that recently, the majority of asphalt imported into the US has been provided by Canada. Paving is still the dominant use of asphalt, with only 4 Canadian provinces reporting usage of asphalt for non-paving purposes in 2020. Demand for asphalt binder in North America is currently highest for interstate highways and roofing. Shingles made from asphalt serve one purpose, which is to be used for the roofing of structures. Because these shingles are petroleum-based, they are not eco-friendly, and their production wastes energy in addition to exacerbating the emission of greenhouse gases. Approximately 12 million tons of asphalt shingle waste is generated in the United States each year, and approximately 10% of these shingles are reused or recycled. Unfortunately, the remaining 11 million tons end up in landfills, where no further action can be taken with them. Attempts are being made by various organizations to recycle asphalt shingles, and this results in increased environmental protection and better disposal standards. The asphalt industry is working towards production emission reduction through cleaner technology when recycling. With asphalt being found as completely recyclable and reusable, it has been demonstrated that certain road types being made entirely of reclaimed materials is in fact a possibility. With asphalt shingles being kept outside of landfills, this also reduces the associated carbon and environmental footprint over time. According to Rona Inc., roughly 75% of all homes in North America have shingle roofs installed. The major reason that asphalt shingles dominate the market is due to their cost effectiveness. Wood shingles, although relatively longer lasting than asphalt shingles, are not as environmentally friendly, as they cannot be readily recycled. In addition, installation costs are usually double the price of asphalt shingles. The Canadian asphalt shingles market is expected to reach $1.85 billion by 2027, according to Global Market Insights. Liquid asphalt is often seen as a boring and vanilla commodity compared to more exciting resources like silver, oil, and uranium. But the truth is, it is an absolutely essential component to building the modern world we live in today. Furthermore, it will continue to prove vital to civilization in the coming years and decades, particularly as developing nations build and improve upon their infrastructure. As we look ahead, the demand for liquid asphalt is expected to rise, and over the long run, the price of this commodity is also likely to rise in tandem to meet this growing demand around the globe. Liquid asphalt has already stood the test of time, from ancient Egypt to the modern era, and there are no signs it will fall out of use in the foreseeable future. With new roads, highways, parking lots, and more being built every day, the staying power of asphalt is undeniable.